verse 78, when we all get to heaven. This song suggests that since we are already saved, we also need to be ready, because in first stanza, Jesus is preparing a place for us. That is why we need to sing the love of Jesus, since He is the one who gave Himself for us. We need to sing the mercy of Jesus. We need to sing the grace of Jesus. The reason for this singing is that He promised His disciples that He was going to the Father's house to prepare for us a place, and that someday He would come again to receive us unto Himself. The first stanza now we sing. Sing the wondrous love of Jesus, sing His mercy and His grace. In the mansions bright and blessed, He'll prepare for us a place. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing I believe. When we all sing Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. In second stanza po, states that we are only as strangers and pilgrims on earth. That there is suffering, however, even though we may suffer in this life, when traveling days are over, there will be neither a shadow nor a sigh, because our afflictions are light and temporary in comparison to the eternal weight of glory. The first stanza now, sing. While we walk up pilgrim pathway, clouds will always spread aside. But when traveling days are over, not a shadow, not a sign. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing and rejoicing I believe. When we all sing Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. In third stanza po, states that we must be faithful in our lives and service before the Lord. Only those who are faithful until death are told that they will receive the reward. And those who are faithful will be trusting and serving every day. The motivation that helps us to keep us faithful is the hope for that time when our toils will be repaid by even just one glimpse of Him in glory. The third stanza now reading, sing. Let us then be true and faithful, trusting, serving every day. Just one glimpse of Him in glory, will the voice of life be made. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing and rejoicing I believe. When we all sing Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. In fourth stanza po mga kapatid, we must keep going toward the goal, onward to the prize before us. Soon His beauty will behold. While we have many spiritual blessings on this earth, the reward of heaven is not attained in this life. So we must press on to receive it. The expectation that soon His beauty will behold, because at death we depart to be with Christ. And then after the judgment, we can enter to the pearly gates to walk the streets of God. Number 4, ready, sing. Onward to the prize before us.